Hi, I'm Ebert from the Innoptus Solar team. I'm an electrical engineer, mainly specified on the low voltage part of building a solar car. With this solar car, we go racing in Australia, where we drive all the way from Darwin down to Adelaide, which is a trip of 3,000 kilometers through the outback of Australia. And the main goal is to become finish first in Adelaide. Yeah, with this solar car, we go racing through the outbacks of Australia, where there is no internet connection. So during our project, we came across Network Innovations, and together with them, we built a solution to have continuous connection through the outbacks during those 3,000 kilometers. Around our solar car, during the trip, we have some vehicles that support the race. We need that for data of the solar car to make sure everything is safe, but also to prepare some control stops ahead. Those control stops are mandatory stops during the race. We have around 9 or 10 of them. And during that stop, we need to stop for 30 minutes. There will also be a driver change arranged, etc. So during the race, we had 3 mission links available for us, for our convoy. And we used those mission links to create a network in our convoy to have good connection between different cars. The car behind the solar car is the brains, as we call it. In that car, we process every data, so the data of the car, of the solar car itself. So for example, what's the tire pressure, how is the battery going? But also we manage the weather, we manage all the information we get from the pre-convoy, so the cars I just mentioned. And that happens through internet connection, so that the long distances between those cars are no problem at all. Okay, so an actual use case of where the mission links came in clutch during our race in Australia was on day 2, where there were unexpected big bushfires. So bushfires happen a lot in Australia. It was also the season. So we send out a car in front of the car vehicles. For example, the car vehicles consist of the solar car, but also the brains. There's a chase vehicle which processes all the data of the car. So we send another car all the way up front to scout how big the fire was, but also how big the clouds were and how the temperature was around the bushfires. And because we had access to that data through the mission links, we were able to anticipate on the situation, and we were able to drive past the bushfires safely and maintain our lead on day 2.
We want to thank Network Innovations for the continuous support throughout the years, and with the customized solution they provided us this year. Without them, it wouldn't be possible to have the internet connection that we had this year, which was truly a competitive tool during the race.
Thank you, Network Innovations, for providing us with the 3 mission links and also the good customer support. The mission links ensured a safe operation in our convoy, which ensured our victory in Australia.